Hello students, I am Kusum Agrawal, your chemistry teacher. Today we will be learning the concept of combination and decomposition reaction. Combination. The word itself is saying combining. See, my two hands, I am combining them. It's an example of combination. We will understand this by using the blocks here. In my hand, you can see a blue block and a green block. I am combining these blocks. As the blocks are combined here, I am getting combined block here. To these two blocks, I am combining here one more yellow block. So on this combination, I am getting chain of blocks. So combination meaning here two or more than two blocks are combining and we are getting a chain here. This is the meaning of combination. One more way we will see to understand this concept. This is pan and this is the cap of pan. When I am putting this cap on the pan, it's again an example of combination. I have combined the cap on the pan. So, combination meaning when two or more than two things combine, we call it as combination. Now, this concept only we will be using here to understand the combination reaction. So, let us see a chemical reaction in which combination takes place. A molecule of hydrogen, it's combining here with a molecule of oxygen. As a result, a molecule of water is forming here. You can see in this reaction two of the molecules, meaning one is hydrogen molecule, another one is oxygen molecule. These two molecules are combining to form a single product, that is water molecule here. This is an example of combination reaction. You know, each and every reaction follows law of conservation of mass. We will balance out this reaction. The balanced reaction is here. Two molecules of hydrogen are combining with a molecule of oxygen. As a result, we are getting two molecules of water. This is an example of combination reaction. Now, we will see another example of combination reaction. Here you can see magnesium is combining here with a molecule of oxygen. So, it's giving the product here magnesium oxide. Burning is always done in presence of oxygen. So, magnesium is burned in presence of air. So, we are getting magnesium oxide. It burns with a dazzling white color light. Two of the reactants are combining, but the product is single. It's magnesium oxide. You know, we are following law of conservation of mass. So the balanced reaction is here. Two of the magnesium atoms are combining with a molecule of oxygen. So we are getting two molecules of magnesium oxide. In this reaction, again you can see here two of the reactants are combining and the product is only one. So again it's an example of combination reaction. So now put the combination reaction on our key point, and the key point is product is always only one. Reactants may be two or many, but the product is only and only one. Like here you have seen two reactants, but the product is one, that is magnesium oxide. Now we will learn here about our next concept, that is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. The word itself is saying D. D meaning breaking. Composition. Composition of a molecule is breaking is the meaning of decomposition reaction. It is just opposite of combination reaction. We have seen for combination the example of joining of hands. Now, if the two of the hands are joined here, we are separating the hands. We are breaking the combination here, meaning the joined hands are separating from each other. This is the meaning of decomposition. Now see one more example here to understand the concept of decomposition. We are having a chain of blocks. It's one chain here. Now this chain we are decomposing, meaning D meaning breaking. The composition of this we are breaking. So now let's break this block chain here. One, second part and the third part, meaning the blocks which were together earlier, we have broken them into the three parts. One is broken into the three parts. It means they are decomposed. So decomposition meaning one of the substance is breaking down into two or more than two parts is meaning of decomposition. One more example, students, I will show you for it. We are taking a pan, a complete pan along with its cap. Now I am separating the cap from its body. So what happened here? The pan, which was a single unit here, it's broken down, it's separated down here into two parts, cap and the body of the pan. It's again an example of decomposition. The meaning of decomposition with reference to our chemistry here is when one of the reactant is breaking down into two or more than two products, we call it as decomposition reaction. We'll see the various examples to understand the concept of decomposition reaction. We are taking a molecule of water and passing electric current over it. So the water molecule is breaking down and it's giving us two of the products. One is hydrogen and another one is oxygen. Here you can see in this reaction when we are passing electric current through water, water is decomposed. Water is breaking down into two products. One is hydrogen and next is oxygen. It's an example of decomposition reaction. This reaction is taking place in presence of electric current. So we can call it as electrolysis also. The balanced equation of this is two molecules of water are electrolyzed. So we are getting two molecules of hydrogen and a molecule of oxygen. This is the balanced equation for the electrolysis of water, which is an example of decomposition reaction also. Once again, the meaning of combination is combining, where always you will be getting one product only. In decomposition reaction, the molecule breaks down and we get more than one product. Thank you so much.